A 6-year-old girl died in Delhi because of dog bite and suspected rabies, and the Supreme Court had suo motu taken this particular case and passed a judgment that all the dogs should be taken away from the roads. Of course, the judgment was not tenable, and a 3-judge bench revised this particular judgment, saying that the dogs from places like hospitals, schools and colleges should be taken away, sterilized and again put back to the same place where they belong. Now, why this is important for an UPSC aspirant? This particular news is important because it deals with animal ethics, which features in your paper 4. In this regard, we have 3 philosophers who have commented on animal rights. The first philosopher is Jeremy Bentham. Now, Jeremy Bentham has asked a very pertinent question. He said that do not ask whether the animal can feel pain or this, but ask the question whether they can suffer. As a sentient being, they can suffer, and because they can suffer, they have inherent value. Who is the second philosopher? The second philosopher is your Peter Singer. Now, Peter Singer has categorically said that speciesism is an ethical challenge. Now, what is speciesism? Speciesism is nothing but dismissing animal suffering simply because they are not human. That is morally incorrect. Last but not least is your philosopher called Tom Regan, who holds animals as subjects of a life with inherent value. So we have understood these 3 philosophers. Now, what are the approaches for the public administrator? First is proportionality over elimination. Removing them completely from their public space fails the proportionality test. Second is coexistence as governance standard. We should not ask a Sophie's choice, either this or that. Last but not least, compassionate accountability. Accountability is very important. It's one of the most important value in governance. But we have to temper it with what? We have to temper it with compassion. And hence, we have to understand a just state does not choose between the child and the dog. It builds the shelter, stocks the vaccine, and trains the officer. This is not idealism. That is administration with a conscience.